Hey, in front of me is DOOGEE X95, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to locate Sound Recorder app, then open it. If you never used this app before, click on Allow in the pop-ups. Now tap on those three dots at the top right corner before starting your recording. Click on Recording Mode and tap on the best option for you, Normal, Meeting or Lecture. I will go with Meeting. To start your recording, tap on this red button located at the bottom left corner. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to end it though, click on the right one instead. And to delete it right away, choose Discard. In order to save it though, click on Save. To access list of all your recordings, tap on those three lines at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my recording is over here. If you want to play it, click on it. If you wish to go back, you need to pause it. So sorry. You need to pause it and then click on this square button. Now to access list of your recordings again, click on those three lines. You can get rid of your recording by holding it, selecting bin icon at the bottom, and lastly confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!